welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to do ponytail with bangs. First, I'm starting out by sectioning my hair off and leaving the bangs in the front. Now I'm about to twist the bang so that it doesn't get in contact with the other part of my hair while I'm going to be working on the ponytail. I'm now going ahead with my spray bottle and I'm spraying water onto my hair because water just makes my hair softer. And now I'm going ahead with my Hairstyle gel. That's my best friend, guys. Yep. I'm going ahead and I'm putting it onto the sides of my hair so it could be sleeked down into the ponytail. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna see me smiling back when they knowing I like you. So as you guys can see, my hair has the gel on it and it's ready to be pulled back into a ponytail. I'm using a string because a string just makes it easier to pull it back tight enough for that ponytail. So I'm gonna be pushing whatever hair is sticking out backwards and I'm making sure my string is even, and now I'll be tying the string and pulling on it so my hair can be tight enough. So keep in mind that you should be pulling on the string until you're satisfied with your ponytail. I'm still pulling because I wasn't satisfied. Now I'm satisfied, so I'll be tying the string so that it won't get loose, and I'll be tucking it away so that it doesn't show. Now I'm pulling on my ponytail to make sure that it has volume. I'm making sure that it's nice and fluffy. And after I'm finished making sure that my ponytail is fluffy, I'll be taking the bangs out of the twist. And it's already looking good, but it's not quite finished. So I'm spraying my hair with water, and water basically just makes my hair a little looser so I can get those edges out. I'm using my toothbrush and my Hairstyle gel, and I'm going ahead and just swoop in my hair to give it a nice little curve. I'm never on a wasting shawty. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna see me smiling back when they knowing I like you, thinking I died. So now I'm feeling myself because I'm looking flawless. You already know your girl is looking great. Ow. If you guys like this hairstyle, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.